Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to add a promo code on IQ option. If you have a promo code for bonuses, trading discounts, or special offers, applying it on IQ option is quick and easy. First of all, launch open the official IQ option application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of IQ option, go to the top left corner and tap on the horizontal menu buttons. Now select Promo Center from the menu. You'll end up in this Promo Center page where you can apply your promo code in the text box. In the text box, write down the promo code exactly as it appears, and then after you are done, click on the Apply button in green right next to the tab. If the promo code is available, you'll be able to redeem it or apply it right away. Make sure to type the promo code exactly as given, no spaces, correct spelling, uppercase and lowercase if required. If the code is valid and allowed in your region, you'll see a confirmation message. So that's it. We have successfully added a promo code to IQ option. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.